What's up, fellow anglers? Salty Beard here, and we are heading back to the Withlacoochie River with my nephew Ian, who takes forever to get ready. Holy moly. Anyways, we're going back for the gar. Maybe I can put him on 1 or 2 or 3. Hopefully you get the excitement of the fight. Hopefully he'll get to hook up on a monster and feel what it's like. Hopefully he'll get to hook up on a monster. Hopefully he'll get to hook up on a dinosaur. Maybe put the spirit of fishing in him. Oh look, he's
What?
like he's got suntan lotion.